Ouch! Stop it right now. We are going to gather a team together. A soccer team.
Oh, wow, I want to be on the team.
So do I. Well, theoretically, I really want to be on the soccer team as well.
Well, I'm sure you can imagine that only the best trains will be in my team, George. Which means only those who are like me. Fantastic. Do you think you're like me?
Yeah. I also like speed. Ha ha! Yoo-hoo! I'm fast as well. It's just that I'm not as fast as you are, Sam Sparky.
Okay.
Yay!
You are on the team.
Yes, all right.
Arnold?
My wheels look just like yours. But the most important thing is that I am brave, not as brave as you are, my friend.
Okay. You are on the team as well. And you? Why do you think you are like me?
Sam Sparky, you know I am not like you, but science doesn't deny that I may be like you. I promise not to let you down.
No can do. I won't take you. I don't need trains who aren't like me.
Oh, now, come on, George. There are only a few silly little trains.
They have the same brains as a boxcar does. You're way smarter.
Well, I wanted to be on the team as well.
We'll gather our own team and we'll kick their wheels. What do you say, George? Come on.
That's right.
What, so now everyone must be like you, Ethan?
Oh, no, just the opposite. No similarity. We need differences in our team. How different from me are you, huh?
Everything. I am bigger than you, slower than you, I go to bed earlier, and I don't like books about pirates.
I'm totally different from everyone. I study differently, I say intelligent words which no one understands mostly, and, well, as for soccer, I play differently.
So it proves that you should be in our team for sure, George.
Great, wonderful.
That's really great, and I'll be the referee.
All right.
Oh! Arnold can't reach the ball because he is really fat. Fantastic will lead the ball, but he will make a mistake. Ethan and Anthony will take the ball from him and will start an attack. Sam Sparky will try to intervene, and he will kick the ball over here. So according to the calculations that I made here, if I stay right over here, I will surely score a goal. Come on! Hurry, give me the ball!
guys.
I'm on it! Right here! Come on, get it! Goal!
Goal?
Hooray!
Yeah!
1 minute is left till the game is over.
Come on, do it!
Give me the ball!
Go, kick it!
Yeah, go!
Come on, guys!
Wow!
Go! Yay!
We hit it. Go.
We just lost, that's it.
Hooray!
We won! What were you doing?
What you told me.
You said that.
Hey, cheer up, guys. You know it was just a game. But remember, being different is much, much better than being similar.
That's right!
We have the coal, and we have the spare parts. George is here, Ethan is here, and Anthony's here as well. I have to start all over again because of you.
But why? What happened?
Guys, we need to carry these cars to Grandma. She works for the museum as a rarity train, you see? And she needs some spare parts. Could you help me, please?
Sure, I'll help you.
But who's gonna bring presents to my grandma?
Well, me, of course. I am the smartest. I will find the way quickly. With the store's help.
Maybe we need the fastest one here. There is a long way, and you are not that strong.
I am the strongest one here. At least that's what my mom says.
Do you want to check?
Well, I suppose we can.
Hey guys, just take it easy right now, okay? I really don't care who's gonna help me.
No, no, no. We will find the best assistant for you, Vera. The strongest one, the quickest one, and the bravest one. And so, the one who'll be the first at that forest is the one who's gonna help Vera.
Okay, now let's see who's the fastest and the strongest here.
And then we'll determine who is the smartest one.
May the best one win, then.
Ethan, be careful! It's a dead end!
Now, who is the strongest one here? And who is the smartest one here? Mate.
It's a dead end.
Hey, young guns. Why are you all looking so sad?
We're trying to understand who is the best helper. We didn't succeed yet.
Why do you need it to know?
To figure out who will help Vera to bring this to Grandma.
And now I just don't know what to do. I mean, Grandma won't have any coal nor any spare parts.
I brought it to her already.
But when?
In the morning. It was just after Vera asked me to do it.
Vera, we told you that we were gonna do that. Why did you ask Grandpa Billy instead, then?
You were all busy in your stupid competition, so you couldn't help me, could you?
George, Ethan, Anthony. Don't try to figure out who is the best. You just have to try to help out first. The most important thing is to give your grandma your help when she needs your help. That's all. You got it?
Yes, we were all in the game.
This was a real dead end. I'm really sorry, Vera.
That's okay. Next time I'll just ask someone myself.
And who will that someone be, Vera? What's the joke?
Sunny, wake up, dear. Come on, wake up.
Hey guys, I'm leaving now. I'll see you in the evening.
Bye-bye, darling.
Hey, Dad, wait a second. Oh dear, I didn't say goodbye to my dad.
What happened, darling?
It's the toothpaste. It just wasn't tasty.
Why didn't you take the tasty one?
We ran out of the tasty one. Hey, George! Hey, George! Come on out! Hey, George!
Hello there, Ethan.
Oh, hi there. Is George at home?
You know, my dear, his father and he went to the museum today.
Oh, boy. Why is he in the museum when I want to play?
Ethan, why are you so gloomy today?
Today is unlucky. It's my unlucky day.
Is something wrong?
Everything's wrong. It couldn't be any worse. You see? There you have it. It's even worse now, Vera.
Well, you can't do anything about it. You might become unlucky for the rest of your life.
What can I do about it?
Well, I really don't know. Well, do something that you're really good at. Just break the bad luck that way.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh,
Oh, look, it's Grandpa Billy. Why is he standing in the rain?
and he's tilted on one side. Grandpa Billy, are you all right?
Oh no, he's sick.
Stay with him, and I will go for technical assistance.
Yes, all right.
Clock face! Clock face!
What happened?
Grandpa Billy isn't feeling well. Call the ambulance, please.
Thanks so much.
So, Ethan, how's your unlucky day going?
It's not that unlucky, Vera. I just got up on the wrong side. Let's go play!
Hooray, let's play!
Oh, hey, George. Want to come to my place and read a book together?
All right, then.
You know, I got a new book. And it's all about the Great Wizard of Puff. You see, he fulfills wishes of good little trains. Even the most magical wishes.
Are you kidding me? There's no magic and no wishes of fulfillment either.
You can't just say that. Prove it.
Well, everybody knows that.
This everybody of yours know nothing. Because they did not find what I have, a wish tree. And I know where it grows, George.
Where?
I know. There's one magic apple tree not far from here. It can fulfill all your wishes. Come with me. I'll show you. All you need to do is pick the magic apple. You have to say the magic words, and then your wish gets fulfilled right away, George.
What? You want us to climb the tree?
Oh. Together we will do it right.
Let's try to knock the apple down
Right.
with this. Come on, the last attempt. Are you okay?
The Great Wizard of Puff, come and make George's wish come true.
What's that, huh?
It's the magic words.
Well, I wish there was candy rain all over the train city.
No,
What?
it's too complicated. I mean, not everyone likes candies on their roofs. Some people don't like sweets at all. You know that. Come on, wish for something else, George.
All right, fine, I see. I know. So I wish for a red wagon with a beautiful crane.
And I want my dad to come home early from work.
All right, where's my red wagon with a beautiful crane, huh?
Well, let's go look inside.
Where? Where's my crane? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, no. Ethan, we forgot to tell the wizard a date and a time. What should we do about it now?
You know, George, I think that, we should wait for tomorrow, maybe.
Ethan, look! I'm so sorry I didn't believe you.
You see? True magic exists.
Oh, hi, Mrs. Dove. Where's the red wagon with a crane?
Ethan bought it. Where are you going?
I just wanted you to believe in magic too, George. Well, consider it a magic present then. And I'm really sorry that true magic doesn't exist. Dad! I can't believe it! You're home early! It really is true magic!
Ethan, wake up. Do you remember you have to clean your room today, darling?
You know, I did not want to clean it today, so I did it yesterday.
Good job. You just forgot about the calendar. Today is the 13th day of the month.
I guess I got up from a wrong wheel. I'll try it one more time. Oi! Oi!
What a pity, Ethan. You're a champion in making a mess.
It wasn't me. Today is the 13th day. I have to warn everybody to be careful today.
Ethan, do you love condensed milk? I'm going to cook some today.
Mrs. Dove, be careful. Don't fall, because today is the 13th.
Oh no, my milk!
But I told you to be careful.
I will have sugared coal with sugar icing and sweet syrup.
George, are you sure that much sugar is good for you? And I want a fuel ice lolly for myself, please.
It's so delicious.
No, wait! My milk!
It's strange.
George, why do you look so pale? Are you choking? Relax, don't panic. I will save you, my friend. Hey, are you feeling better, George? You have to be really careful. Today is the 13th day of the month.
Condensed fuel with sugar. Do not shake. Explosive.
But, I think that's Mrs. Dove's milk, and she was going to cook it. It's going to explode now. Let's warn Mrs. Dove.
La 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 la. I'm cooking the best condensed milk in the city.
Here I am. Oh, what are you cooking today?
That's a very tasty, sweet surprise.
Too late. She's already cooked it.
Darling, the surprise was great.
I told you to be careful today. It's the 13th. But the condensed milk is really delicious. Guys, let's play tag.
It's boring. Then let's play hide and seek.
But we've played that 100 times.
Then the game of silence.
And what are the rules?
I'll tell you. Did you get it? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Say no words, the game is on.
Sam Sparky, are you home? We're going to watch a movie. Are you with us?
He doesn't want to? Okay. I guess we'll go without him.
Oh, Arnold, help me, please. The gates are narrow. I can't fit in. You show me the way. I don't want to hit the gates. Oh. Now, do you see what happened? Then why didn't you say something?
Vera, I told you that you should call me when it boils, and now the whole family is hungry because of you. You could say you're sorry. What does mean? Doctor, please help my son.
Now, what do we have? Flu, or are you running a temperature?
Worse. My son doesn't talk.
What? Another one? We have seen 7 others that don't talk.
There's an epidemic in Traisn City! Kids can't talk! We must take emergency measures!
Yes. My son hasn't talked in 2 days.
And mine.
And mine.
Everybody is silent? It means they are playing a game. Hey kids, are you playing the game of silence? We will cure all of you now. What should we say? Oh, I've got it. 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now you're free.
Finally, we can speak.
I would never talk first.
I wouldn't either.
And I can keep silent for a whole week.
And I for 1 year.
We forgot that we were once kids like them.
And I used to play the game of silence, and let me tell you a secret. Once I kept silent for 4 days. That's interesting. What is going on there?
I don't know. Let's have a look. Hey, what are you doing here?
It is a throwing weapon of the ancient Romans.
What is that?
They put the shell in here and then pull the rope and
threw it at their enemies.
And who are you going to shoot with your catapult?
Actually, we don't want to shoot with a shell.
we are planning to shoot it ourselves.
Isn't that a cool idea?
Oh, wow. Can we join you?
You? Join us?
I don't think so. It's not a girl's business.
I don't understand. What does that mean?
Building and repairing is not for girls. You'd better cook, clean, or water the flowers.
Oh, really? Is that what you think? Then let us build your catapult and you do our girly things, and then we'll see who does a better job.
Well, I'm sweeping and you're cleaning.
Maybe I can sweep the floor and you can clean.
There's no difference. Every girl can do that.
How are these catapults made?
Here's the drawing. Let's start.
Vera, are you okay?
Yeah, I think so. I found what we need.
I told you, it's easy. Look how clean everything is.
Yeah, very clean. Ethan!
George, be careful. I'll help you. George, the bookcase.
Oi, oi, oi.
I tried to warn you.
How is it?
Awesome. We would make some really good Romans.
We tried our best.
We can see that, boys.
We didn't know girly work was so difficult. Is it funny for you? Let's go and see the catapult that you built.
Wow. It's amazing.
Awesome. We would be really good Romans.
You did a great job. We'll never make fun of you ever again.
And we will learn how to clean. We have our own instructions. Ready?
Let's do it!
Hey, Vera, did you plant a tree in the end?
It's not just any tree, it's a magic tree.
I don't get what's so magical about it.
I'm not telling. When it grows up, you'll see yourself.
So what? Besides, magic trees don't exist anyway. Okay, I'm going to hide in the bushes and see for myself. Ouch! Wait, where did you come from? Are you watching the tree growing too?
I've been watching it since yesterday.
Oh! Stop peeping. Go out to the forest, find a magic tree seed, and grow your own tree. This really isn't polite.
Huh? Listen, George, we should plant a dozen of trees to make Vera jealous.
Ethan, I'm tired, and I'm so hungry. Can we look for this tree tomorrow, please?
It must be near, I'm sure. Somewhere close. I can feel it. Come here! Quick! It's dry here!
It really is. The leaves don't let water in. I'm cold. I'm freezing.
Yeah, me too. Aha! I'm warmer.
I'm warmer too. It's so hot.
Feels cooler here.
Yeah, real refreshing. We'll cool off for a bit before going on, Ethan.
Come on, cross the bridge.
The bridge is really old. It might break down, Ethan.
Don't panic. It'll hold you.
better be going back.
Wait, hold on, George. I'm coming to save you.
Oh dear. Oh no, I can't swim.
What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Grab hold of the tree. Come on.
But Ethan, it's all thorny.
Grab fast. Come on. The bridge is going down any second.
Thank you so much, Ethan. You're a real good friend.
Oh, no, don't thank me. You should really thank the tree. It saved your life, George.
Well then, did you find the magic tree in the end?
Nope, we sure didn't find a tree like yours.
Maybe you didn't look hard enough. There are plenty of trees out there.
Huh?
Shame on you, you don't pay attention.
Vera, please tell us, what is so magical about your tree?
When the tree finally grows up, it'll give me protection from the rain. And when the sun is shining, this magical tree will always shelter me in the oh-so-cooling shade. And besides from that, it's beautiful. Don't you agree with me?
Hey, George, back there in the forest, the tree saved us from the heat and the rain.
Yeah, true. And then from the cold. And a tree helped me out of danger.
Now I can see that all the trees are just magical.
Yes, you're right. And there are plenty of them here in the forest.